Hello, welcome to LearnPy. Today we're doing something on Python reserved words or keywords. So Python reserved words are words that cannot be used as variables or identifiers because they mean a lot to Python. Okay, so identifiers, variables, because they mean something to Python, are predefined syntax to writing programming instructions. Okay, so when you use them as variables, they wouldn't work. So these are some of the reserved words that's special to Python. Okay, so let's see something here. I'm giving house and end. Okay, so end is a keyword here. Okay, so let's try something. So using here it gives us true because of the end. Now let's use end as a variable, and you can see its colors change to green because it means a lot to Python, or it's very key to Python. It's a keyword in Python. You can see it's highlighted here. Okay, sorry. And okay, so you can see I have an error because of the end. Okay. So when I bring back a house, another variable name, house, I change here to also to house. My print, see, now we have true. Okay, so let's try another reserved word. Let's try or return. Okay, so you can see return to has been given the highlights that green. So this reserved word shouldn't be used in your as variables or identifiers. So you can see we have error here. So hi, given a variable called hi, then hi. So it works. It should work. Okay. When I print, I have no error. So that's it for keywords. And remember to use your keywords wisely. Thank you.